Welcome or welcome back to Sow Grow. My name's Luke. Today we're going to clean up an area behind our barn that's just overgrown with honeysuckle and got some dead trees piled up in it. And we're going to turn it into our new woodyard. So come along with us. One of my goals that I'm trying to get done is clear back behind the barn. It's a lot better than it was. There's probably some poison ivy back in here too. Nobody wants that. Right, Bishop? Yeah. This is behind our house. Here's my rusted, busted firewood shed. But here's the barn. And back in here is a mess. Just like the area I started cleaning out up over here. You'll see my first land clearing video. I'll post that below in the description. But this area is just as bad, maybe worse. Nothing but down pine trees and honeysuckle and mulberry. Alright, so I got a hold of this vine, pretty thick. This is how long it is. Yeah, we're still going. Alright, that's it. As always, I'm running the Homestead implements, Grapple, the Kioti CK2610, and my Bigtoolrack for carrying my saw, fuel, bar oil, marking paint, and for ballast. Now let's go for a twofer. Let's see if we can push this pine over. Looks like it's going to go easy. Timber! Nice. That was fun. Another one over here. Let's see if that one will go too. Timber! Yeah! Sweet! Yeah. One down. Let's see if we can get this other. Push it up. Yeah, yeah. There it goes. Ha ha ha. That's so fun. White oak right here that I want to keep, so I gotta stay out of that. But I'll hit that honeysuckle. Leaf is coming with me to check out the progress on the new Woodyard. Got a decent amount cleared. Got some stumps I need to cut down to the ground or dig out. I also left a few red buds and some oaks. So I didn't take everything out, but you can see behind the barn now. I also got back here. This was totally overgrown. So now we can get through here and I'll be able to mow back here. And before you couldn't step foot in here. Like, it was literally a wall of dead trees. Oh, there's the dog. He's back. But yeah, it looked like this before. Just a mess. So, some good progress. We'll have to build a new woodshed back here too.